Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2343. Today's date is 16th August 2021. वाजले आता 9:30. What is happened today? Okay, so basically is that today I wake up at 7:30 and started working almost like a 10 at 30. Okay, 8:30 or maybe 8:15. Yeah. Uh, it's just like while the beginning of the day, I was kind of like a meant to be do something like doing my Photoshop. Okay, basically is that key. I know Premiere. Okay, and uh, and I used to upload some of the videos in YouTube. Okay, uh, in the YouTube, thumbnail is a very big important factor. Yeah, this is the only reason that people will click on your video and they will watch it. If your thumbnail is not that good, then people just don't really click on that video, because YouTube have thousands of video, and you need to be like the interaction between audience and your video has depend on that thumbnail. Okay, if that thumbnail is bit really pop up and just like so amazing, then people will definitely watch. Okay, uh is that thing ki I was kind of like meant to be doing something like I was thinking so much, but then I realized that uh don't put just like a thumbnail, just like I'll just try to do something unique. And what is unique is that ki just do something really black and just write something like ki this is the travel video, Aga Khan Palace. Okay, just blank. Okay, that's it. Nothing on the image, nothing on it, just like complete black. It's just literally unique and also good. Yeah, and people will see what is exactly is this Aga Khan Palace, Pune, and then definitely people will watch it. I don't know, yeah, but this is my idea. It's just kind of like a really basic. It's meant to be possible or not, I don't know, but let's just find out. First thing is that ki it's just like sometimes I need to learn Photoshop, because that's really important, and I didn't really know about the Photoshop. Yeah, I like the editing my photos in Lightroom basically, but Photoshop is kind of like a meant to be something really different. In the Photoshop you can do so many things. Yeah, it's just like a endless possibility. Yeah, like Lightroom is meant for the color good, color grading, color correction, and so on and so forth. Yeah, but basically is that key you cannot add something on the Lightroom. Add something means like whatever inside that picture you can highlight it or uh, shadow, or it's all depend on you. But it's just like if you wanted to be sky replacement, you cannot do that on Lightroom, because Lightroom is not meant for that. Okay, uh if you want to do some sort of light like changing some of the adding something like a different character on the photos. If you want to add something in your photos and remove something in your photos, and so for that purpose you need to use Photoshop. Okay, and basically Photoshop is used for not only the photo editing, is used for creating poster, banner. Okay, because yeah, because Photoshop is kind of like it was like a really old, trust me, like a Photoshop is kind of like a doing his thing since maybe 20 years or more than that. Okay, basically I didn't know any software at all. Like if I say photo editing software, there is a one software I know is Photoshop and then nothing at all. So Photoshop is the really dominating market in this field, sorry, editing field. Okay, and everyone uses it, and it's also really good. Yeah, like most of people use it, and they are not really wrong, because it has that potential. So I took some classes on Skillshare and try to learn. I i learned some of the tool, try to do some sort of editing, but I couldn't complete my classes because of that key. I have some several things to do. First of all is that key I have to go to the post office. I need to send my Rakhi, sorry, not my Rakhi, actually my sister's Rakhi, and also I need to send some of the packages to New Delhi and Rajasthan. Okay, two different packages and speed post. So it just like I have to go there. While I was going there, my brother Bittu called me and he says, "Ki come over." And I didn't really know why he's calling me, but still, just like I was near to his home. So basically, I decided and I went there. Then I know he actually he got accident, or he feels accident, or that's accident झाला. Uh, he fall from the bike, okay, and he got injured himself, okay, and he got injured after he fall on the bike. Am I try to telling things wrong, right or wrong? Maybe wrong. Okay. So he fall on the bike and he hurt, and just like he has some sort of stitches on his hand, for like he fall from the ground, he fall from his bike, so yes. And then we are went to the hospital. Okay, we went to the hospital, we go to the hospital now, we went to the hospital. Okay, yeah, try to correct this spellings. Barish. Okay, right now I'm here, and rain is rain is coming. म्हणजे rain is coming. Is it right word, or should I say rain is falling? म्हणजे फॉल याने पडणे, रेन याने पाऊस, पाऊस पडत आहे म्हणजे रेन इज फॉलिंग, राईट? No, no, this is a really bad word. You should say rain is dropping, falling. No, rain is. So rain and is. This is the thing, na. So you have to put those words in the sentence, right? Yeah. So this is not right. No, no, this is right. But the verb that you are using is not correct. So what word should I use? You should use falling. Rain is falling. Rain is dropping. The rain is coming, or heavy rain is here, was here. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's it. Okay. I don't need any grammatical mistakes. It's literally fine. Okay, so let's talk about the Aga Khan Palace. Okay, so first of all, I went to the Aga Khan Palace at February 2021, and when I went there, it was something really amazing experience. Trust me. Like there are so many, not so people. It's just like a really quiet place. It's really good, and it's um, It's really great place, yeah. You have to visit. Okay, dude, you are travel filmmaker. You should have to understand that the like what is this place and how is this thing, and you should know and you should tell this thing. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Um. Okay, so this Aga Khan Palace is actually built in 1892. Okay, which is so old, but you cannot say so old. Yeah, he actually completed almost like a 120 year, 20 year, yeah, maybe 20 year, yeah, 30 year. Yes. So if I born in 1892, so it's just like 101 and 28 29 म्हणजे 129 year old that building. And the maintenance of that building, trust me, you cannot you cannot say that this building is that much old, like that building is looking so good and so amazing. And like basically is that, yeah, we just like when you put any building as a historical building, then trust me, yeah, like there are um, so many people are taking care of that building because it's kind of like a really uh, um, has some sort of historical value about his building. And yes, so it is meant to be for really good perspective. It's, it's it's meant to be looks good at all the time. So basically those people are maintain that building in very good manner. This is it. This is it. Thank you. Yeah.